Imagine you're trying to reach customer support for a service you rely on. You're frustrated, you need help, and you just want to get connected. Sound familiar? Today, we're going to dive into the world of Pocketguard customer support. We'll explore the different ways you can get in touch, and hopefully, by the end of this video, you'll feel more confident in reaching out and getting the assistance you need. The importance of customer support. Before we get into the specifics, let's talk about why customer support is so important. A good support team can be a lifesaver. They can help you troubleshoot issues, answer your questions, and even provide valuable insights into how to use the product more effectively. Method 1. The Help Center. The first place you should check is the Pocketguard Help Center. This is a treasure trove of information, filled with articles, FAQs, and troubleshooting guides. It's a great place to start your search for answers. Method 2. In-app support. If you can't find what you're looking for in the Help Center, try reaching out to Pocketguard directly through the app. Many apps have built-in support features that allow you to submit tickets or chat with a representative. Method 3. Social media. Pocketguard is likely active on social media platforms like Twitter and Facebook. These platforms can be a great way to get in touch with the company and ask questions. Just be sure to use relevant hashtags and tag the official Pocketguard account. Method 4. Email. If you prefer to send an email, you can usually find the company's email address on their website or in the app settings. Be sure to include as much detail as possible in your email so the support team can assist you effectively. Tips for effective communication. Here are a few tips to keep in mind when contacting Pocketguard customer support. Be clear and concise. Explain your issue as clearly as possible without rambling on. Be patient. It may take some time to receive a response, especially during peak hours. Be polite. A friendly and respectful tone can go a long way. Provide as much information as possible. The more details you can give, the better the support team can help you. Reaching out to Pocketguard customer support doesn't have to be stressful. By following these steps and keeping these tips in mind, you should be able to get the help you need. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.